So it's Tuesday morning, YouTubers. What we're doing today is a nursery. The Pacific owner of this nursery requested that we did HWE instead of encapsulation.
After vacuuming, we always give a good walk round to see the severity of every stain.
So everything just needs good going over, really. As you can see, just there, camera shows it look beautiful. The area's got to be treated. We've got some play dough. I'll show you a little tip in a bit how to remove that if it's a natural play dough. Okay, so there's that area.
And on the carpet tiles in this area was children's paint. First of all, we flushed the area with a hot water to release the stain from the actual fibres. Then we pre-treat and extract again. And again in this area with homemade natural play dough. In this particular area, there was a large stain that we pre-treated with an odour release solution before extracting at 200 psi to clear the stain completely. And this gloss paint stain was treated with citrus gel spotter. And any loose or overlapping tiles were taken up prior to the clean and stuck back down. We cleaned this rug free of charge as it was a new customer and sometimes a small gesture can go a long way. And again, these gloss paint stains were also treated with a citrus gel spotter, left to dwell for 15 to 20 minutes before fully extracting. And here's a second shot of the rug after cleaning. As you can see, it came up very well, and I'm sure the customer was very happy. And this was the area that the children's paint was spilled. As you can see, we managed to extract it with 100% pure results. And here we are, giving a good going over with a cherry deodorizer, just for a fresh smell to a clean carpet. So if you and your business would like the sharp solution treatment, don't hesitate to give us a call today on 07474 684 953 or visit our website at http://sharpcleaningsolutions.co.uk. So finally, we'd like to say thank you for watching this short video. If you'd like to see any future videos, please like and subscribe. You can find us on YouTube, social media and checkertrade.com for all your carpeting and upholstery needs.